Hi, I'm Streaky from Streaky.com. Today I'm reviewing the Audio-Technica ATH M40X and I'm also giving them away. So watch till the end to find out how. So the Audio-Technica ATH M40X. They do like a long name, headphone manufacturers, don't they? So what are these? These are a sort of cheap end of the range headphone. So I thought I'd give them a whirl. So this feels a bit strange because the ones I've unboxed previously, sort of last week, have come with some really nice little case and stuff. But you are paying 80 quid for these, so you're not going to get much of a case, are you? So we got a bit of a box, some wrapping, and some cables and stuff. So not a lot going on there. Here they are then. They're kind of falling apart in my hand. They're so adjustable. Pretty solid, closed back headphone. It's not going to be leather, is it, for £80? No, not leather. Pleather, a kind of soft leather. There's no foam on there. It's kind of like soft. These spin round 90 degrees for one ear monitoring. They actually all fold up nicely, so if you're on the move, you can fold them up into a nice neat little package for your bag, which is quite handy. You get two cables. You get the stringy telephone type and this straight through cable, which most headphones come with. I like the fact that it links in. I do like if there's one on each side, but this is just on the left. You can't have everything. It goes in, but it's kind of feels a little bit, doesn't feel that well connected, but it's not going to fall out, so that's the main thing. Yeah, I mean, for £80 they look okay. I don't think they're going to fall apart. They're kind of sturdy. They're going to do their job. But more importantly, how do they sound? So I'll plug them into my amp. I've had a quick listen, but I think it's best if I play them and sort of speak whilst I play them, if you like. So these are a bit awkward. They keep falling around all over the place. They keep spinning around, so they're a bit odd. Okay, so initially it seems to be playing back quite flat. I can hear everything going on. It's replaying really flat across all the frequencies. When I say flat, it is kind of flat. It doesn't feel, there's no kind of depth of sound or warmth. I would use the word cardboard compared to wood. It's that kind of difference in quality compared to something that's, say, in the £500 to £1,000 range. You know, but these are kind of entry-level headphones, so I wouldn't expect too much. They're fairly bright, which I kind of expect. You know, from lower end hi-fi stuff, headphones and speakers tend to be on the bright side, just so it gives that initial impression of opening stuff up. Very similar to when you are mastering a record. It's very easy just to put a load of top on and it sounds more open, and so straight away to somebody without a trained ear would then think, okay, that sounds really exciting and bright and lively. So straight away it's like adding loads of salt to the food. It suddenly tastes really flavorful. So somebody that's sort of more used to cooking food and stuff, then they'd taste more of salt. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, stereo wise, they're kind of, when there's quite a lot going on, they get quite confused because of that lack of depth and stereo width. They seem to just sound quite flat along everything. Like I say, they seem to be replaying all the frequencies back, even to the low frequencies, so I can hear those, but it's just a very flat sound. I can't hear anything around the sounds and the lushness of the sounds. It's just very much there, very much flat to my ear. For me, they're just not rich enough. I don't think they've got that stereo image. I think they'd hurt me after a while for playing with them. I think they'd probably be really good in a club if you're DJing because of the brightness and the sharpness coming through. Your ears really picking up around the 1K sort of mark. So these would be quite good for cutting across all that, for mixing, but they wouldn't be for me. I think for someone who's just starting out, I think that they'd do a good job. I think they'd get you there. They are very entry level. I think they're replaying everything. Like I say, if you're fresh to it, then they're going to be bright and they're exciting. So at least that'd probably encourage you to carry on. You can hear what's going on all the way through the frequency range. So probably a good starting point. You know, £80 is probably, when you're very, very first starting out, it's probably all you want to pay for a set of headphones. For anybody who's been doing it for a while, I'll be starting to look a little bit higher up the run. You know, they're pretty comfortable. I think if you were working on them, I mean, like I say, they're all over the place, but yeah, they're pretty comfortable. So if you'd like a chance of getting these, I'm giving them away. You need to go to Streaky.com, sign up to the newsletter, and then in December, I'll pick at random a email address from the newsletter. Every month on that newsletter, there is discounts and giveaways and what have you. So that's only once a month that email comes out. That's the Audio-Technicas. There is a link below for you to check them out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.